3, 2, 1, and action. Sarap, Derek. Sarap ng sarap. Lime. Lime.
Monica, the breakfast you prepared, it's good. What is this?
We call that lugaw or arroz caldo in the Philippines, sir. Is it good?
Yes, she will love this. By the way, she's the patient with her. She's ongoing postpartum now.
Sir.
Okay, pick up.